I'm in love with my bestie, and I don't know what to do. My bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie.
Sani, I've fallen in love with you. I've fallen for you, dear.
Cut it! For your information, I don't love you. I don't want to be in a relationship with you.
Can we have friends with benefits?
Imagine! She suggested friends with benefits. How? Can you believe that? She still wants to use me and play me. What at all is wrong with this lady? If she wants you as a friend, that's what friends do. Let's chat, let's cause. Period.
A healthy, wealthy gentleman like Kwame proposed to you and you said no?
Even when I don't need love.
So you've been avoiding me by switching off your phones?
Dude, what's the protocols?
It says all mobile devices must be off.